Hello students, okay, today we will see our first experiment, implementation of basic gates, okay, on a IC trainer kit. So in theory lecture we have already seen all the basic gates like AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These three gates we people should refer as a basic gates. So we people should see the demonstration of all these three gates on a IC trainer kit. Now first we are concentrated on the AND gates. So if you see the AND gate, we people knows betterly the definition of AND gate means what? The output of an AND gate is high if both the inputs are going to be high, otherwise it will be low. So if you see the truth table, if both the conditions A and B inputs are 1 1, then we are getting the output 1, otherwise all the outputs are 0 in other condition. Is it clear? If you see this symbol, okay, AND gate symbol is there. Here A is the one input, B is the second input, which produce the Y as output, which is having the logical equation Y is equal to A dot B. Clear? Means what? Whenever A and B both the inputs are 1 1, then we are getting the output is 1, otherwise it is 0. So what is mean by 1? 1 stands for it is a logic 1, or 0 stands for it is a logic 0, or in other words 1 is nothing but on and 0 is nothing but off. Is it clear? So which IC is required to do this all the functionality? So if you see this IC, okay, IC 7408, we are using IC 7408 for the purpose of 2 input AND gate demonstration. Okay, if you see the IC diagram, okay, total 14 pins are there in that IC, okay, which is having the two sides. One side contains 7 pins, other side contains another 7 pins. Okay, now if you see the IC, here both 2 inputs are required. As our gate is a 2 input AND gate, 2 inputs are required. That's why pin number 1 and pin number 2 is for input and pin number 3 is for output. Similarly, pin number 4 and 5 is for input and pin number 6 is for output. Now that side, here pin number 8 is for output and pin number 9 and 10 is for input, and the last pin number 11 and 12, 11 number is for output and 12 and 13 number is for input. Clear? So if you see this gate, total 4 2 inputs AND gates are connected together. Okay, it will show the demonstration. It will demonstrate like us. It will contains the 4 different AND gates in a one gate. Okay, now if you see this pin number 7 and this pin number 14, from here onwards for each and every experiments, remember such concepts like that. This pin number 7 is always connected to the ground. It is a reserve in each and every gate, and this pin number 14 is for VCC. Clear? Means what? We are see the working functionality of AND gate on a IC trainer kit. Okay, means what? Here A and B, if both inputs are 1, then we are getting the output is 1, otherwise it will be 0. Now we will see such a demonstration on a IC trainer kit. Now this is our IC trainer kit. Clear? IC trainer kit. Now here all the input sections are there. Okay. Now here all the output sections are there. Now each and every IC trainer kit contains some of the IC slots. Now here 4 IC slots are there. We can connect our IC here. Okay, how exactly IC looks like here? Now see, first our experiment is based on AND gate. AND gate IC 7408. Now we will see the IC. Now this is the IC. Okay, which contains total 14 number pins. 14 pins are there. 7 pin in one side, 7 pin in the other side. Now their name is also indicated over here. Okay, IC 7408. So how to connect this IC in this slot here? Okay, each and every IC having upper nibble. Clear? Like this. If you see in the figure, it's like this symbol, upper nibble. Just check this upper nibble and just connect the IC in a IC slot like this. Clear? And just tied the IC on a train circuit. Okay. Now, what do we do? These are nothing but the probes. Those we are going to be connected. There are basically two types of probes we are using. Okay. One is for input, red probe, or simply red wire. We are connecting for the purpose of see the functionality related with the input, and to see the functionality related with the output, we people connect the black wires or black probe. Okay. Now, consider on our diagram. Our pin number 1 is for input, pin number 1 and 2 is for input. That's why this pin number 1 were connected. Okay, here numberings are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. Here from 11 to 20. But our IC contains 14 pins. That's why we are using only 14 slots. Okay, now pin number 1 here is connect like this. Pin number 1. Okay, now here it will be connected to input 0. Clear? Now second number pin is also for input. We are connected like this. Okay, now here. And third number pin is our output pin. That's why we are using this black wire. Third number pin is our here output pin. Clear? Now one, as per our diagram, one AND gate is completed. Functionality of one AND gate is completed. Not required to do all the AND gates connection. Okay. Now here, pin number 7. Remember one thing. Pin number 7 is always for ground. That's why we are connecting here. Pin number 7 here. Pin number 7 is there to the ground. Here ground section is there. Here all things ground sections are there. I am going to be connected over here. Okay. And second, pin number 14. So how to count pin number 14? Here pin number 7 is there. Clear? Total 10 slots are available over here. But we are using only 7 slot from one side of IC and 7 side of the another side of IC. That's why in front of 7, here pin number is 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and last is nothing but 14. That's why we are connected here. Okay, 14 number pin for VCC. Here VCC slots are there. Okay, all these slots are VCC. So I am going to be connected here. Okay, now we will check as per the truth table whether it's working or not. Now here, see, these are two things are nothing but inputs. Okay, so conditions like that 0, 0 means what? If this button, this knob is at the low side means what? It is low, it is off state, and whenever it is on side means what? It is in a 1 number state. Okay, so basically currently it is in a off state. Okay, now we will check first where here power button is there. We will on the power and just check whether power is on. Okay, here power is on. Here power button. Now we will check power button. Now it looks like a power is on. Okay, now first condition is like that. Here in truth table, okay, 0, 0, output is 0. Now if the both inputs are 0, output is 0. Clear? Now here, okay, so see, so both the conditions 0, 0, input 0, 0, output is 0. Clear? Now second is nothing but we are started from right hand to left hand side. Okay, now this is 0, this 0, second condition 0, 1. 1 means what? Upside. Okay, 0, 1, here see, output is 0. Now third condition 1, 0, output is 0. Now last condition is nothing but both the things are 1, 1. If 1, 1, output is 1. Means what? Demonstration of AND gate. Our AND gate is working, is in working condition. If the both inputs are 1, 1, then we are getting output is a 1. Clear? So all such setups are required for all other gates. Now second gate, if you see, our second gate is nothing but OR gate. Okay, OR gate IC definition. OR gate, if both the inputs are low, we are getting output low, otherwise all the outputs are high. Which IC is used? IC 7432. IC 7432 we are using for the purpose of demonstrating the OR gate. Okay, IC 7432. All the connections are same. Okay, first 2 input, then output, then 4 5 input, then output like this. Now see, we are just of this. Okay, IC terminal gate, and just we are changing the IC. Now instead of AND gate, okay, we are using OR gate. Now OR gate IC 7432. Now here we will check. Okay. Now IC we are going to be connected like here. The name of IC is repeat over there. IC 7432. Clear? So upper knob is there. We are connected like this. Now just connect this IC. All circuitry is same, which we already done in a AND gate. Now we will check. Now power is on. Clear? If both the inputs are 0 0, output is 0. Now second input 0 1 0 1, output is 1. Okay. Now next, if it is 1 0, output is 1, and the final, if it is 1 1, output is 1. Okay. Clear? Now OR gate is over. Now similarly we will see. Okay. So same setup is required for another one of the gate. It's called as a XOR gate. Now before NOT gate, we will see XOR gate. So in XOR gate, okay, which IC is used? IC 7486. So what XOR gate indicates for us? XOR gate tells us like that. Okay, if both the inputs are same, output is 0. Means what? 0 0, output is 0. 1 1, output 0. Otherwise, we are getting the output as a 1. Okay, XORing operation we already see in a theory. Clear? Now we will check XOR gate. Which IC is used? IC 7486. Now check. This is XOR gate IC 7486. Okay. We have picked one IC. Let's just check the name of IC. IC 7486. Okay. Upper notch is there. That's why we are connecting like this. Clear? And tight out. Now power is going to be on. And the check. Initial condition. If both the conditions are 0 0, output is 0. Clear? Now second condition 0 1, output is 1. Third condition 1 0, output is 1. And final condition 1 1, output is 0. Means what? XOR operation is also okay. Clear? Now the last basic gate is nothing but NOT gate. Clear? So if you consider down the NOT gate IC, NOT gate is nothing but inverter. Here you see, NOT gate is nothing but inverter. What happens if your input is 0, output is 1, and if your input is 1, output is 0. Clear? Like this. Means what? How exactly it will be connected? It's like this. Okay, how many slots are there totally? 6 slots are there. Which IC is used? IC 7404. Non-gate IC 7404. Now 1 is connected as input, 2 is for output, 3 is for input, 4 is for output. Now we will check how it exactly. All these things are clear. Just we are removing this second number of pin. Clear? For the purpose of simplicity, we will check. And just we are connected here 3 number pin. Now listen. Here 1 number pin is for input. Now second number is output. That's why second number pin we are connected to the output. Clear? Now we will check the functionality related with the NOT gate. Only one slot is sufficient. Okay, not necessary to do the all functionality over here. Okay, all other connections are same. Here ground pin, VCC pins are same. Like this, ground pin, VCC pins are same. Now we will check. Okay, how exactly it will check? If your input is 0, output is, if it is 0, output is 1, and if it is 1, output is 0. In slot is like a inverse. Now we are going to be connected over here. NOT gate IC. Here NOT gate 7404. Okay. Now we check. Here just check. Okay. 7404. Now we are connected this IC. Clear? Okay. Now we will check. Now initial condition is 0. The power is going to be off. If it is 0, output is 1. And if it is 1, output is 0. Okay. In this way, we are demonstrate our 4 basic gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and XOR gate. Which ICs are used? For AND gate, IC 7408. For OR gate, IC 7432. For NOT gate, IC 7404. And for XOR gate, IC 7486. These ICs are used, which is 14-pin IC. Okay? One side contains 7 pins, another side contains another 7 pins. Okay, 2 pins are reserved. 7 number pin is for always ground, and 14 number pin is always for VCC. Okay, so in this way we are completed our first number of experiment. Thank you.